Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once the honking starts, the best thing to do is soothe and calm the dog. The honking usually gets worse during allergy season or when the air is very dry. In most cases, you can improve the condition by using a vaporizer for dry air or Benadryl for the underlying allergies.
Take our lead.
Although it can be alarming to witness a dog having a reverse sneezing episode, it is not a harmful condition and there are no ill effects. The dog is completely normal before and after the episode. During a reverse sneeze, the dog will make rapid and long inspirations, stand still, and extend his head and neck.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Unfortunately, it is not possible to completely reverse congestive heart failure. Surgery is generally not a viable option, and your dog's vet will likely recommend ways to treat the symptoms only, which will give your dog some relief.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The classic symptom of kennel cough is a persistent, forceful cough. It often sounds like a goose honk. This is distinct from a cough-like sound made by some dogs, especially little ones, which is called a reverse sneeze.
Take our lead.
Coconut oil is generally safe for dogs to eat in small amounts or have applied to their skin or fur. When it comes to selecting a brand, virgin coconut oil is best, as most of coconut oil's benefits have been observed with this type.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Dogs can sneeze due to irritants or foreign bodies inhaled into their noses. They will often sniff around and this is the body's way to naturally expel them. They may also sneeze due to inhaled allergens such as grass and pollen. Dogs can also have nasal mites that can cause sneezing and sometimes nasal discharge.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.